In this lesson, we'll review a math question from the problem solving section. We're on page 399, question 11. Even though 11 is just a medium difficulty problem, remember there's a time constraint on the test, and so I will review, in my opinion, a much more efficient way to solve this problem. So we have when the positive integer k is divided by 7, the remainder is 6. And now the question goes on, what's the remainder when k plus 2 is divided by 7? So we have lots of variables. These are obviously abstract terms. Everyone thinks better in concrete terms. A much more efficient way of solving this problem, not just for the time, but in terms of accuracy, is to put in a value. You can put in any value as long as you follow the rules. So let's just start with the first sentence. K is divided by 7. Okay, we don't know what k is, but it's divided by 7, and we have a remainder of 6. So let's just think about this. 7, the smallest value, forget about the remainder, the smallest value that k could be is 7, right? It can't be a multiple of 0. It has to go in at least one time. I'm not saying 7's the answer, but I'm just doing this to explain it. So if we said that 7 goes into 7 one time, we'd have a remainder of 0. We don't want a remainder of 0, we want a remainder of 6. So how can we get a remainder of 6? Well, take that number 7 and add 6. So 7 into 13. It has that same multiple of 1, but the remainder is 6. So always start with the number you're dividing by, and then simply add on to get the remainder. So we're going to say k is 13. That's a true sentence. What is the remainder when k plus 2? So now k plus 2 is going to be 15. What's the remainder when it's divided by 7? Now this one, the multiple is not 1, it's 2, but we don't care about the multiple. We want just the remainder. And so what's left over? The remainder here is simply 1. And that's the answer. So usually what we'll see one remainder question, and the best advice I can give you is put in a value to make it true and then work through the steps. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.